Consulting, and this is part 1 of the Slack and Canvas integration. Adding the Slack integration to Canvas can make a very collaborative environment that is easy for your teachers and students to collaborate using Slack for their Canvas courses. In this part, I'm going to show you how to set up a Slack workspace as a teacher setting up a course. All right, so first what I'm going to do is I've already have my course set up, and in this example I'm using this Calculus 2 course. And you're going to notice that once I've added the Slack and Canvas integration, we now have a Slack button or link that shows up in our courses. I'm going to go ahead and click on that link. And it's going to open up a page that says Create a Workspace. What this button will do is create a workspace within Slack for this course, and it will automatically provision all of the students to be in this workspace for Slack. I'll go ahead and click the Create Workspace button. Once the page reloads and the Slack workspace has been created, it now shows that you can open the Slack workspace directly from your Canvas course. And so you can see you can either open in the Slack web app or in the Slack desktop app. So I'm going to open from the web app, and you'll notice that my course now opens. I have multiple workspaces, so I'm going to actually switch over to the Calculus 2 course. And this is my course specifically for my Calculus 2 course. So each course gets its own workspace. You'll notice just a minute ago that I had a drop down, and so I can have multiple workspaces. You can see I have different courses. I have a university main workspace. I have a student success hub workspace for the student success module. And then I have my individual courses that I can communicate in. Now I'm going to show you how it looks from the perspective of a student. You can see logged in from my dashboard. I'm now logged in as Keith, and I'm now seeing, you can see I'm logged in as Keith, and I'm now seeing the different courses that I'm a part of. I'm actually going to click on my Calculus 1 course. And what you're going to see from the Slack integration is there's now a Slack link within my Calculus 1 course. If I click on Slack, it now allows me to open up directly within Slack. If this was my first time clicking on the Slack link, it would allow me to create my course user, and it would automatically create and provision the user for the Slack course collaboration workspace. So I'm going to choose the web app, and it's going to open up directly, and this is how easy it is for a student to access their Slack channel for their course. Now I'm going to show you the mobile experience. One of the biggest benefits of using Slack is now every student and faculty member that is using Slack has the ability to use Slack on their mobile devices. This is a great collaboration experience, and this allows the students to be collaborating for their courses no matter where they are directly from their mobile phone. One of the things that you can do is you can actually drop it and you can go to workspaces, and you can see all of the different workspaces that are available to the user based on how many workspaces and courses they've had a Slack workspace created for. Now I'm going to go into the Calculus 1 course, and the collaboration within mobile is fantastic. So you can see I'm actually logged in as the professor who's teaching the course, and I can interact with my students very easily. I can go to random, and this is just a channel for students to collaborate about random items, and I'm going to say, don't forget the test on Monday. And using the mobile device is very easy. I can easily switch. I can actually even see all of my workspaces at once if I would like to. You can see all workspaces, which I'm seeing now. So you can see all of the different channels, and I can see all of the different messages that I've gotten across all of my courses and or workspaces. This was the Slack and Canvas integration to create courses that are easy to collaborate for your students and professors. In the next module, I'm going to show you how these Slack courses can be used in the Student Success module of Salesforce's Education Cloud.